Good day everyone, my name is Anisabel Ata and today I'm going to demonstrate on how to configure virtual local area network. But before that, gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan ng teacher namin na si Sir Oliver C. Sanchez sa pagturo sa amin kung paano mag-configure ng VLAN para ma-discuss sa inyo ng maayos. So for the first part is maglalagay tayo ng dalawang PC and then i-name natin sila ng accounting. And then yung isa naman is HR. And then after that, kukuha po tayo ng switch. And then cable. Kailangan po yung cable is straight through. Then connect. Fast Ethernet 1. Then another cable, Fast Ethernet and Fast Ethernet 2. Then kukuha po tayo ng laptop. Then, i-connect po natin siya using console cable. Then, RS232. Then, console. After po makonect lahat, punta po tayo ng desktop. Then, terminal. Ayan. Pagpunta po natin dyan, i-okay lang po natin yan. And then, enter. Then, type po natin yung enable para makita natin yung global configuration. And then, configure terminal yung next. And here, mag-assign na tayo ng VLAN. Then, tatype natin dyan is VLAN 10. Ayan. Then, ine-name natin siya ng accounting. And after that is, magta-type tayo ng exit. Ayan. Next naman here is the VLAN 20. Then, ine-name natin siya as HR po. And then, exit again. Then, after creating our VLANs, mag-a-assign naman tayo ng mga ports para sa kanila. Then, tatype natin interface, Fast Ethernet, 0/1. So, next is the switch port mode access para ma-access natin yung mode sa switch port. Then, isa pang switch mode access. VLAN 10. Ayan. Then, after natin i-type yung mga yan, next naman is exit. Then, same process lang yung ginawa natin sa una. Type natin interface, Fast Ethernet, 0/2. Then, next is sa type ulit natin yung switch port mode access. Yan. And then another switch port mode access. VLAN 20. Yan. The next is exit. Yan. And type another exit. Then, here is mag-show na tayo ng VLAN brief natin para ma-verify natin if active ba ang port natin, which is ang VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Ayan, active naman sila. Ayan. Then, exit na natin. So, that's it for today, guys. Sana naintindihan nyo yung ating demonstrate and sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you for listening!